Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So it's been a long while, and I've been looking forward to this moment, being able to do a coin roll hunt again. We're going to start off with some $2 coins, and we'll see how we go. Yeah, looking forward to this. We'll zoom in a little bit and see how we go. See how many different coloured coins we can find in this lot. What have I got? I've got what have we got? About 16 rolls. So we'll see how many coloured coins we can get out of that lot, and see if there's anything else interesting worth pulling out. So yeah, lots going on since I've been away, especially with the $2 coins. The police coins came out, I think, just before I nicked off, and I haven't managed to get myself any of those as yet, but it'd be nice to find some in this lot, but I'm not very hopeful. And what else has happened? Another $2 coins come out, the Wallabies coin, which I did go into Woolworths and get myself one of those as soon as I got home. And they did give me one in change when I bought it as well, so I did end up with two of those coins. What else has happened? Oh yeah, the funny thing about the possum coins and the possum magic coins, with those being misrepresented. Initially said probably a couple of years ago that they were 2 million of each, and then the annual report stated 800,000, and now the Royal Australian Mint has gone back on that and said no, that was an error, it's not 800,000, it is 2 million. So yeah, don't worry about those too much. I did go and have a look to see how many of those. Well, it's the Vegemite sandwich one. If you're interested, have a look at it. Looks like the possum is eating a Vegemite sandwich. That's the one that was reported at 800,000. So yeah, not the case. It's 2 million. So nothing special about any of those possum magic coins. 2 million is still a low mintage, but I think as far as $2 coins go, really a million or less is really going to be the ones that'll escalate in value, and eventually the green one will take off. From 2014, I think it was. So yeah, they all take their turn. These guys here are around, I think, 5 million from memory. So it's fairly well worn, so I'm not going to bother keeping that one. But all of these $2 coins are looking fairly old, except for this one, but still not worth keeping. Yeah, I haven't had much success with $2 coins in the last probably 2 or 3 hunts that I've done. So yeah, I've given myself a good chance once again. So these rolls that I'm cracking right now are Army Guard rolls, and I do have a fair few Prosecutor rolls. So just to see if I can get some variety, in the hope of maybe some of the newer coins will come through in one of the security companies. So I'm fairly sure I saw before I left that the what was it? The police coins were coming through in Army Guard rolls. So I figured I would try and get some of those Army Guard rolls and try my luck, but no. So 2016. There's a 2018 one, but my feeling is it's going to be a high mintage. Now let's try a Prosegur roll. So have you found any of the new effigies on any of the $2 coins as yet? If you are, leave a comment. Love to know whether you're finding those guys. Hopefully most of you have had some success and been able to meet up with the mint as they have been dispersing some of the coins around the country. Certainly I know around the 12th of September there was an opportunity to get some coins from the mint, but unfortunately I was out of the country and missed out on that opportunity. Well, fairly poor hunt so far. Just the one coloured coin out of, I think, 4 rolls so far. So always looking for the 2011 $2 coin as well, being a low mintage coin, around 1.8 million. So always a keeper there. Anything that's sort of really well and truly off center would be worthwhile keeping. It's probably not enough off center, that one. That is a low mintage one. Oh, there's a 2011. Okay, so that's a keeper. So we'll put that aside. Alright, I'm just going to do a clean up and we'll come back and do some more. Alright guys, all cleaned up so we can make more mess. There's another coloured coin from the Commonwealth Games. Yeah, worth hanging on to for now. There's just lots of coloured coins that I just do not find here. I honestly feel like I just keep going through the same coins. And yeah, I know a lot of you in different states seem to find some of the more recent red, so the 100 years armistice ones, and I think some of you have found some of the repatriation coins and those kind of things. I just don't find any of those where I am here in Victoria. I think I already looked at these ones. Yep. Yeah, I was hoping after a month some of the police coins might have found their way into these rolls, but doesn't seem to be the case. I might have to go and check out a few other banks in different areas and see what I can get. I did get a heap of $1 coins to go through. Pretty much got all denominations this time. Really keen just to get back into seeing what's out there. All these coins I've just put out now all look a bit old. Nothing special. No. No, nothing in that lot. I'll quickly get onto another roll. Let's check these quickly. Nope. Just the 3 keepers so far. We'll go through another couple of rolls. Oh, I do see a keeper. Just grab that one out. I love finding these guys. The 2017. You can see a bit of a fingerprint on that coin. But yeah, the Rosemary one, the Remembrance one, so nice one. I like those ones. Oh, there's another keeper in here. We got here, that's a Bill the Steam Shovel, Mr. Squiggle coin. What else did I see? Oh yes, the someone found one of the new Wallaby coins, the Bullseye era. So that pop up on the PJ's Coin Capers Facebook page. That was it was copied from another coin group, but certainly got to keep an eye out for that kind of stuff. Quite a nice coin for a 1995 $2 coin. Might keep that for my collection. This one's a bit off center, but fairly common with the $2 coins and really doesn't add any additional value, so I don't bother keeping those. I always hope to turn around a 2013 $2 coin and hope that it's a purple coronation, but very, very rarely does it happen. So, alright, can't see any keepers straight off as I'm looking at this roll right now, but we'll quickly go through it. Another 2013, but no. Well, I might just get this one roll done, and I'll quickly go through the last few rolls, and I will come back and show you what I find. Nice high grade 2018. I'll be back very soon, guys. Alright guys, so this is the wrap up. So the last 6 rolls really didn't give me much other than this one Olympic coin from 2016, I believe. Yep, 2016. So that's the only additional coin that I got out of those last 6 rolls. So yeah, at least we showed off the best of the coins in the first few rolls. So we kept the 1995, which was a fairly nice conditioned coin for its age, the 2011 low mintage coin, and the rest of these Mr. Squiggle and Commonwealth Games, and the Remembrance coin from 2017. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that bell, subscribe and hit the bell, give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and shortly we'll have a few more coin roll hunting videos coming up. We'll definitely do a $1 coin roll hunt and a 50-cent coin roll hunt, and we'll see how we go after that. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and more videos soon.